Hey there, it's Dez. In this video, we'll be talking about the Wi-Fi Mesh Access Point, a device offered on select plans that boosts the Wi-Fi coverage of your gateway in hard-to-reach places with up to 2,200 square feet of coverage. Also, it can help provide a smoother internet experience for when you have more people and more devices online. If you're enjoying the weather on your patio or working on a hobby in the garage, you'll have the signal strength to not miss a moment of Wi-Fi. After we get your device set up, we'll walk you through how and where you should place it to maximize your internet experience. Ready? Let's go. First, let's check that everything is ready to roll. Make sure your gateway is turned on and connected to the network. If not, hop into the T-Life app and get that set up first. If you need help with that, check out our video on setting up your gateway. Now for the tech-savvy crowd, if you've been tinkering with band steering, and you know who you are, just make sure the gateway has 5 GHz Wi-Fi enabled. Not sure what that means? Don't worry, you don't need to do anything. It's an automatic feature of our gateways that connects you to the best available frequency. Now, make sure you have registered for a T-Mobile ID and know your login information. Scan the QR code below if you need to register. After setting up your gateway, you'll see a screen like this. Select Let's Go. Review what's in the box and select Looks Good. All right, ready? Let's bring your Wi-Fi Mesh Access Point to life. Simply plug in the Wi-Fi Mesh Access Point with the power adapter near your gateway. Wait for the LED to change from solid white to blinking white. Usually takes a couple minutes. Connect the Wi-Fi Mesh Access Point to the gateway with the Ethernet cable from the box. Watch for the LED to go from flashing green to solid green. And success! Now, unplug the Ethernet cable and move the Wi-Fi Mesh Access Point away from the gateway to an area where you are looking for improvement in Wi-Fi coverage. Here's a couple of things to consider when placing your Wi-Fi Mesh device. First, it needs to be near a power outlet. It does have to be plugged in after all. It needs to be in an open area away from any obstructions. Don't hide it behind anything, including TVs, walls, pipes, or appliances, because it needs a clear path to boost your internet. Also, avoid putting it near electronics like microwaves and baby monitors that can cause interference with the signal. One pro tip: plug it in and let the LED do its thing, blinking green to solid green, and test a few locations until you find the sweet spot. Don't worry about unplugging the mesh to find the best space. It'll still be set up when you plug it back in. If the LED shows you yellow or red, no biggie, just move it a little closer to your gateway. Once you've got a solid green light and your Wi-Fi feels unstoppable, you're officially set. Now you can enjoy even better Wi-Fi coverage on America's largest 5G network. There are more helpful how-to videos showing how T-Mobile helps keep you connected. Thanks for watching and happy surfing.